It was shocking to hear the president in the same televised interview saying that upon assuming office, he disbanded a police squad which, in his own words, had been responsible for the abductions and killings of people and dumping their bodies in River Yala and Athi River. The question all of us are asking is, if the president knew of the existence of such a squad that committed such heinous crimes, should the members of such a squad face the full weight of the law for the crimes they have committed, indeed murders, if only to give relatives of the deceased some measure of justice for the lives wrongly and wantonly taken away by that squad or members thereof. I ask the question, why has the president not given the names of those killers that were part of that squad so that they can be prosecuted for the crimes they have committed? Your guess is as good as mine. But it may be noted that the lingering concern of many Kenyans is, how sure are we that since abductions and extrajudicial killings have continued, notwithstanding his commitment on 27th of December, and the disbanding, as he says, of that killer squad, that the current situation is not a replication of the evil trend where another squad has been set up. When my son was abducted, all efforts to trace him and get him released from the various security agencies in the country proved futile, until when I went to the president himself and he called the Director General of the National Intelligence Service. Then my son was promptly released. It is therefore not rocket science to know that my son and many other young Kenyans were in the custody of that same squad and or the Director of National Intelligence Service with the knowledge of the president. Because how possible would it be that the president calls that director and my son is immediately released? I dare to say that it is evident that to date, none of them has ever denied any of the contents of the statement that are recorded with the DCI, which is material evidence should there be a judicial process. There is no doubt that I was sacked because of my stand, a very firm stand on the abductions, on the issue of abductions and extrajudicial killings, and not because of the so-called absconding of cabinet meetings. But I dare say this, if the intention was to silence me, unfortunately, they have dialed the wrong number. For I will never tire of fighting for the rights of the people of this republic, no matter what it costs. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.